Log into the 711Proxy website. Go to the pricing page. Choose Enterprise Plan. Select the plan you want and click Buy Now. After payment is complete, go to the dashboard. Click on Enterprise Program in the left sidebar to access the Enterprise dashboard. The Enterprise plan you have purchased will be displayed here. Click on Assign Proxies. Select the plan type. Create order. Select the individual accounts you want to assign. Set the assigned traffic or IP. The assignment order has been created. Return to individual account dashboard and refresh. Proxy has been successfully assigned. Thanks for watching.